So yes guys, before the video start, me need you to like, share, comment and subscribe. And guys, please turn on post notification because you now turn on the post notification for the post notification. Post them. Enjoy this video guys.
Jesus is Lord.
What me done everywhere shoot them so stick man? Oh man, you should have your smell son. Bun Bun, 4 o'clock they need still you know.
So long it take to put on the pizza or shoes them.
I just smell the phone you know, and make sure you take care of yourself here, no fighting.
Yeah man, him gone now. Up in the head. Them brand new clocks here, boy father. Yo, my Christmas come early, God.
Jesus is Lord.
In my.
Jesus is Lord. Jesus is Lord. Jesus is Lord.
Ouch. So wagwan people, it's your boy Tev Don Comedy.
You boy Tev Don Comedy.
Get it G to 1K subscriber. Get Jaden to 1K subscriber. You know tingo, guys. I'm now doing promotion.
Wait, so you can't promote my channel.
Yo, you're gonna reach 1K subs. Like, oh, you think you reach 1K subs? Bro, me promote your channel too, bro. Like, you want to reach 1K subs or even 5K subs? Link me up on Instagram so me can shout out your channel, your music channel, your not Instagram channel, just YouTube only. Music, anything, any channel you want to promote, just link me up on my Instagram right here. And the promotion fee is just $1,500 Jamaican dollars. So if you're interested guys, just link me up on my Instagram. You know a thing. Yeah, payment method, PayPal, Cash App, MoneyGram, etc. I'm out. Subscribe.
Every gal want lick it G like lollipop. Me take away a boy gal right on the spot. Me no power with no loot when the whole of we a chopping. A tilt up mark X ring 12 fat. Every gal want lick it G like lollipop. Me take away a boy gal right.